Hey friends, is your Gmail inbox overloaded with thousands of emails you just don't need? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all Gmail messages at once, fast and easy. Let's clean that inbox up in under 90 seconds. Open Gmail on your desktop or laptop. In the search bar, type Label All. Then press Enter. This will show all emails in your inbox. Click the small checkbox at the top left to select all emails on the current page. Now click the blue text that says Select all conversations in inbox. This selects everything, even emails not on the current page. Click the trash icon at the top to delete all selected messages. Go to the trash folder from the sidebar, then click Empty Trash Now to permanently delete them. Boom! Your inbox is now clean. And that's it. Inbox decluttered in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Future for more smart tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.